I give it to the shop.
Okay, fine. Can you share with him then?
Thank you.
Where's your laptop? You have it? Great. Okay, can you all make sure... Mir
Jamali.
Thank you. Can you make sure you have Zotero? Because I would like to start showing you how to use it then. I know some of you saw how to use a bit of it in biology then. Okay, so we're going to continue with that, alright? Okay. So let me just open it up as well. Excuse me?
I will give him the yellow card. If it's become again, I will tell him to go.
I'll break his legs.
Oh yeah,
I'll do a slide and tackle.
Yeah.
Professional foul. Professional foul.
You don't care.
Not important for me.
Yeah.
Not important.
But you're important.
Huh?
You're important.
I know. Yeah. I know. With the what? Yes. That's my evening car. Okay. So, is anybody having trouble opening the program Zotero? You're all able to get the program open on your computer? And the other thing that you need to make sure you have is that you have the extension in your browser. So if you open Firefox or Chrome or whatever, you should have the Zotero button on it. Yes? Do you have that button as well? Let me open up Firefox here to show you. You want to show what the extension looks like, is it? Which? Huh? Chrome. But I don't see... If you go to Moodle and click the download Zotero link, in that there's a link for Chrome. Yeah? It's going to look the same. Yeah. Okay. This is taking a while to open. What didn't work? Oh yeah, we'll have to work on that. Okay, why isn't this opening? Oh, here we go. Did you all open Zotero? Yes? Guys, do you have this open, Zotero? Yeah, okay, so what I'll show you how to do is, well, first, I know some people have seen Zotero in biology, and I think most people here have done biology, the Zotero with column, but the engineers have not seen Zotero yet, correct? Correct, yes. So just a quick, please. So, just a very quick overview of Zotero. Zotero is a way to manage your sources for writing your essays or your reports. So it basically keeps a collection of your sources that you might need for your essay writing. Okay. So what I want to show you what to do or how to do is how to add to your database. How to add to your database of sources. So what I want everybody to do first, as the first exercise, is to just go to Google Scholar. Okay, so if you can just go to Google Scholar first, please. So we'll go to Google Scholar. We'll find an article in Google Scholar that we would like to use, and I'll show you how to put that into Zotero. Have you done this one with Colin? Yeah. And which way did he show you? With the copy and the text? And
With the internet.
did he show you, there's two ways of doing it. Did he show you by using an ID number, or did he show you by using something called Refman?
You will just open the Microsoft.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it using the ID number. It's a little bit easier, okay? So first we'll just search for something. It doesn't matter what. Come on. So just search for anything in Google Scholar. Come on, come on, come on. Guys, just search for anything in Google Scholar, please. Yes? Question? No? Have you all found something in Google Scholar? It doesn't matter what.
Any
Just
article? Any article?
any article, yeah. Okay, have you all found something in Google Scholar, yeah? Yeah. So, if we want to add this to Zotero, guys, are you listening, please? Yes. If we want to add this to Zotero, what we do is we click the Cite button here, and this should pop up. You see that there? Yeah. Now, maybe it's a little bit different for yours, but at the end there's usually some kind of ID number. So maybe I'll just search, I don't know, something in biology. Yeah, so maybe this one's a little bit better. So I just typed in acid and bases and cite, and now you can see at the end of this one there's a ID number. Yeah. Now not every guys. Where who is sitting there? That's Abdullah. Where is he? But yes, even though he's not here, he's still causing me trouble. Right. True. Okay, so at the end of most articles, there's the ID number, and this is really makes it convenient to add it to Zotero. So what you do, copy the ID number. So copy the ID number. And then you go to Zotero, and you can see there's a little wizard add button here. Can you see that one? Add items by identifier. So if you click that, it will ask you for the ID number. So if you paste in the ID number and press enter, it should find this article for you and add it to your list. So now it's searching for the article. So it might take just a minute. My laptop's still going to be a little bit slow. Maybe yours will be quicker. There we go. So give it a minute and it will add it to your database. Have you all managed to do that? Yeah? Were you able to do that?
Yes.
If you can't copy and you can't paste, that's more of a laptop issue than a Zotero issue. No, how are you copying it? Did you press Control C? Yeah, well, try highlighting and right click it and pick copy, and then right click and pick paste. You tried both? Are you sure?
Now what? Don't go. Let down. Show me video and everything. No.
Just sit down. Resist the urge to be stupid. Okay, just sit down. Right. Have you all answered? Guys, get along, listen. Listen. I've had several people say they can't copy and paste, and then when I do it, it works, okay? So please, Control V. Pretend you're plagiarizing an essay. Control C, Control V, okay? Right, so once you have that, we'll add a different source now.
You can go there.
يا احمد هلا بنت يا احمد والله ما والله خلاص
Did you paint? Well, what number did you copy? Okay, anyways, I'll show you another way to add it that way. Okay, listen. Sean, listen. Now, this way was added using the ID number, okay? But if you want to add it, listen please. If you want to add it a more secure way, not the ID number, what I mean is if you want to manually add it, so you make sure all the information is right, I'll show you how to do that. Some people may have noticed that the ID didn't always work for them, and that's just because maybe in the journal they didn't type the right ID number, or there was some problem with it in their database or whatever. So if we want to manually add it, let me show you how to do that. So again, we get our site box up. So if you click site, doesn't matter which one, or just whatever site. But this time, we don't copy the ID number. You see there's a link down the bottom called Refman. Do you see that? Yeah, so click that. And it will probably ask you, how do you want to open the file, or do you want to save the file, or whatever. So, if it gives you the choice, you should open it just with Notepad. Nice.
But they are late.
They are late.
So go away.
They look like idiots, so it's okay. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it because they are idiots?
It's just bringing out their true nature.
Oh, it's not good, you know.
Okay. You look great. Now, you can open up your So, once you click Recommend, I want you to pick Open with Notepad or whatever you use to just write basic text files. So if it gives you the choice, pick something like Notepad, Editor, WordPad, something like this just to open a text file. If it doesn't give you that, you can save it to the desktop and then just pick right-click Open with Notepad or Editor or WordPad or whatever program you use for that, yeah? No, don't open it with Zotero. But then save it to the desktop and right-click and open with Notepad. Guys, come on, have you done that?
Yeah, we've done it.
You have it open, great. Guys, listen, please. Yeah, please. Okay. Did you all get that open up in the text file?
Yeah.
No.
Why no?
You should have something like this open now. Yeah, did you get this open? Yeah? Yeah. So what we need to do, we can copy all of this. Yes? Yes.
Yeah, we should take him. Thank you. He's so smart. Yeah.
Oh, he is too smart. Okay, so now, listen. Next time I have to get myself to stop myself talking, I'm going to just ask people to leave, okay? Because I need to get through this. So, once you have the text copied, yes, you have it copied, you can go back to Zotero and pick File, and then you see here, Import from Clipboard. So once you have the information copied, you can pick Import from Clipboard. You have that? Yeah. And then it should give you, well, it should do everything automatically then. So if you just pick Import from Clipboard, whatever text you have copied, it will automatically take that and make the source out of it for you. So you can see, you just maybe have noticed that my database increased by 1 as well. It just added something there. So I know a couple of people were saying that when they were trying the ID, it didn't match up with the article. So you can do it this way. Refman, copy the text in a text file, and then File, Import from Clipboard. Okay? So just do one more article as an example. You just find an article just to practice. Then I'll show you how to add a book. Okay? So just find any article and do this method again to add it to your database, please. Okay? So it's Cite, Refman, Copy Text, File, Import from Clipboard. Okay? Try another example. Did that work okay for you? Yeah? Right, okay, fine. Where's the download? Where's the save? Open it, show me where it's saved. Where do your downloads go? Show me this. You have 2 articles now. And use the map that just showed you. Okay. Have you added the second article? Great, okay. Now go back to Google where it's still so stored. Yeah, you did. Where it shows you. You added the second one?
خلص شنو هذا؟ شنو هذا يا اخوان؟
جوكر يا اخي.
Wait. Listen. So there's a few people having trouble, and what's happening is when they click the Refman link, it's not opening. That's fine. If you click it and it downloads it, just go to where it downloaded and pick Open with Text File. So if you click it and it downloads, just pick Open with Text File. That's all. Okay? Right, so I can help you in a minute if you still can't do that, but I want to show you how to add a book. So for example, just go to Amazon and just search for whatever, biology book, physics book, whatever. So just go to Amazon and search for any book then. So just before, for those people who are having trouble, watch please. You click Refman and it will give you a choice on how you want to open it. And then you just pick text editor. If it doesn't give you this choice, it means that it just downloads the file for you. So you go to your download folder, and in your download folder you open it with the text file editor. That's all. Once it's open, you can copy all the text, and then once you copy all the text, File, Import from Clipboard. It'll take a few seconds and then you have it. Yeah? No, you should be able to choose other program. No, I promise you, please don't make me come down. I promise you can... You made me come down. I don't think students know how to use computers.
No, I know. I know.
We do, you just made it complicated.
Really? With my copy and paste? Yeah, quite complicated. Okay, are we all at Amazon?
But this is not free.
No, we're just using it together, book title. Yeah. Okay, we are Amazon? So, whatever, we'll just search, doesn't matter which book. Yes.
I don't need to do that Word thing. It's not Word when I import from library, it goes into my library automatically. So do I need to do the Word thing?
It worked successfully?
Let's say instructional versus schedule.
Okay, if it works, then that's fine. Okay. Listen. So, just open up, listen, just open up any book in Amazon. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, so what you're looking for on the page is the ISBN number. So find any book on Amazon, it doesn't matter which one, and then just scroll down once it loads and find the ISBN number, which is usually under the details section. Once my page loads. Down. is it? There we go. So you found the ISBN number? Yeah? So copy the ISBN number using Control C. Now it should work for both, but if it doesn't, just do the 10 one first and then the 13 one next then. So we'll just copy the ISBN 10. Go back to Zotero. Pick the wizard and then paste, Control V, paste the number in and enter. And it will search for this book and then we'll add it. So while this is loading, you should be adding in one book as well. It's going to take a couple of minutes to find it. I will need to. Has it added for you? It's searching. You found the book and it's searching? Yep, okay. You found the book? So did you try to find it? You can try the next ISBN okay? Yeah. Is it searching? Yeah. Oh, it added? Great. Okay, great. Copy the ISBN number. There. Copy that. Did you go for the table with me? Okay, so I don't know why some people are I don't know if that was find searching on Amazon but we'll just leave that one in there. Okay, listen. So, I know for some people it's still searching, for some people it's finished, but that's okay. So the last thing I want to show you, now that we've added some links, some sources into our database, the most important thing now is when we're typing our essay, and now it's finished, so it added it, great. The last thing now is when we're typing our essay, how to put in the bibliography. So if we can all just open LibreWord then. So where is LibreWriter? There it is.
Do we open Word document?
Just do what I ask you to do. Thank you. So, LibreOffice Writer, if you open that please. Just open LibreOffice Writer. Okay, do you have that? Is it open now? Right, look guys, you're distracting me. Be quiet. Just open up the program, it doesn't need assistance.
You didn't know anything. I just need
Okay, he needs to learn by himself, okay?
I swear to put my I don't have that.
Okay. Right, so you have a blank document open. Yeah. So we'll just we'll type a few words and then we'll imagine we're putting in some links, okay? So we'll just whatever. Maths is great, and we'll need to and I'll have to reference that. Alright. I can't quite see because it's. Oh, there we go. So, to put in the link, the reason I asked you to open up Libre is because on the first week you all have to install Libre. So I know everybody should have Libre, which means everybody should have roughly the same screen in front of them. You should see up in your toolbar a link. It's a little small on mine, but it should look like a letter Z in a red box. So this is the Zotero button for inserting a citation. You see it there? Yeah. So if you click that, it'll just take a second to open. Did I get it? Ah, there we go. Now, when you click Insert Citation, you should get a page like this, or a window like this. And this is the reference and style that you want to use. So, I don't know, did Colin show you how to import the DIFC bio reference and style? So you should, you didn't show you this? Okay, so I'll just really quickly show you here. It's no big deal. If you, can you see here? Duplicates. Hold on, it's coming up. There. Listen, you don't have to do it now. You can do it later, but I just want to show you where it is. When you go to the ICT page, in the Zotero part, you see there's a link called Download DIFC Style. So you just click that and we can download it. So if I right click and pick Save, and it doesn't matter, just save it wherever on the desktop. And then in Zotero, I'll show you in a moment how you can add that style into Zotero. So we have here DIFC Bio, so we pick OK. Let me just show you how to add that style. What you do is in Tools, or is it, sorry, oops, let's cancel that. In the Tool symbol here, you pick Preferences. Oh yeah, sorry, thank you. In the Tool option here, you pick Preferences, and underneath Site, you can see here in the Style section, you see there in Site, you have all the different styles. So the one you probably heard about is which one? No, the more famous one perhaps. Yeah, like Harvard or something. So you can see that there's many different styles there. To add a style, there's the plus button here. You just click that and then just pick the file that you downloaded. So, of course, it's not on my computer here because I downloaded on this computer, but when you download the file, you just pick it, and then it will add that to your list of styles. Okay. Also, I recommend in the Site and in the Styles, in the word processor, I don't think you should have this clicked. It's a little easier if you don't have this clicked. Okay. So let's go back to the Word document and put in our citation now.
Not working.
Which part isn't? Now, the very first time you use it, it might take a minute or two, like it did for me then. So, in a sec, yeah. So, listen. Once you click insert listen. Please. Once you pick insert citation, you should get a window like this that pops up. Okay? And then what you do is you type in what you want to search for in your database. So you remember I downloaded a maths book a few minutes ago. So if I type in maths, it will search my database and it will find this for me as a suggestion. So then I can click that and press enter. And then it will build the citation for me. So there it is there. And you can do this as many times for as many as you want. Then at the end of the essay, so I just go down a little bit, I want to put in my bibliography. So there's a link here to insert bibliography. You see there, insert bibliography? You see that? You click that, you give it a minute, and it builds the reference for you. So I'll put in another one. Maths is great, and I don't know, bio sucks or something. Insert citation. What was the acids and bases? That was one I got earlier. Acids and bases. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I dare not type in chemistry sucks. Right, and enter. Now what you notice is really nice about this program is as soon as I put in the extra citation, what happened to my reference list at the end? It automatically was added in. And you don't have to build this. This was automatically built for you by the program. So by using this program, you should get, full marks for your reference part of your essay. Okay? Just to finish, what I want you to do is just to make a Word document with 2 references in it, okay? And people who are having trouble, just put your hand up. So the last thing to do is just do that. Okay. But is this an LibreOffice? I think Colin said there's a link for it. It was showing you here. You might have to install it. They're not working on it. This is Colin with the expert. This one. I clicked you could pick reinstall or here.
Hey, BIOS. It's good.
I can't argue with that.
Yeah, you played it right for a second.
What did you forget? I think I found out why it's not working on some laptops. Because they don't have Java already installed. Yeah. I know. Guys, listen, so a couple of people, when they open up LibreOffice, they see that they don't have the option of Zotero. So from just looking at 1 or 2 laptops, I can see if you go to Edit and Preference, if you go to Edit and Preference, and in Sight, you have a button here for Install LibreOffice in the Install LibreOffice add-in. Now, you don't need to do that if it works, but for people who is having trouble, they need to click it here. And what will happen is, if there's a reason it's not working, it will give you the message. So I noticed, for example, on one person's laptop it said, could not install because you need to install this. Okay, so I'll just say that one more time. You were having trouble as well, weren't you? So when you go here to Tools, Preferences, and then Site Install, what happens when you click Install? Yeah, click that. What happens? Whoops. Yeah, here it is. Oh, so you can actually maybe continue. Okay, so you just continue and it'll start. Listen, for some people, installing it this way fixed it and they now have it in the Word program. Okay. Did everybody who had trouble try that? Now, if you get an error because you need to, it says here, close it and then restart it. What's the problem then? And did you do what I...
It's here, but then just...
but it's not open it might just need a restart then.
Okay, it's working for me now.
So, the next time you turn the computer on, it might be working then. Yeah.
And I didn't get the JIFC. Yeah.
I can't have this now. I think... Yeah, 5 minutes. I think what we'll do is maybe in one of the math classes or maybe in one of the bio classes we can just look at some final little issues that you might have. Right, before I go, I need to check the attendance. So this will go a lot quicker if you just be good. Right, so
In the group 1?
group 1 I should have... Stop moving, please. You're distracting me.
Sorry.
Right, so group 1, I should have 13 people, so it'll just be easier if you put your hand up. I make sure I have 13 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's fine then. Are you in group 1? So what's your problem? You know the difference between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, group 2. Group 2, I should have 12 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So who's missing from group 2 then? No?
No, me is right there.
You know,
Are you group 2?
Yeah,
Everyone's here from...
it is too small.
Right, group 3, and for those people who are feeling particularly stupid, this is 3. Right, I should have 12 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 then. Now who's missing? Did I count you? You're in group 3? Yeah, okay, that's okay then. And then group 4, I should have 11 people. Group 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's a lot of people missing from group 4 then. Oh, okay, so there's
No group 4.
and then group 5's not here.
No group 5.
Yeah, so in group 4 should I just have engineers, is it? Yeah, do I have all the engineers? Where is that? Where's Ron? Yeah. Is it Tom? Get out of the